Tamil film star turned politician Kamal Hassan, hours before he launched his 2-year-old party's campaign for the 2021 Tamil Nadu Assembly polls, attacked Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the new parliament project for which he had laid the foundation stone recently. What was the point of such a massive financial indulgence at a time when the country's economy was facing severe turbulence, asked the founder of Makkal Nidhi Mayam on Sunday. Why a 1,000 crore new parliament when half of India is hungry, losing livelihood due to coronavirus? When thousands died as the Great Wall of China was being built, the rulers said it was to protect people. To protect whom are you building the rupees 1,000 crore parliament? Please answer, my honorable elected PM, Mr. Hassan asked on Twitter. Moving on to the next news, Aam Aadmi Party leaders Raghav Chadha, Atishi and number of other leaders were detained today on their way to Home Minister Amit Shah and Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal's residences as part of their party's protest against alleged misappropriation of funds by BJP-controlled Delhi civic body. Aam Aadmi Party had alleged Rs 2,457 crore fraud in New Delhi Municipal Council and had planned the protest outside Mr. Shah and Mr. Baijal's residences to force the government to order a CBI probe into its allegations. The Delhi-based party had asked for permission from the police to hold the protest, but it was denied, citing the coronavirus pandemic. Moving on to the next news, senior Congress leader P. Chidambaram on Sunday slammed the central government and alleged that some of its ministers had alluded to the presence of separatist elements in ongoing farmers' protest against the agriculture reforms. Ministers have described the protesters against the farm laws as Khalistanis, agents of Pakistan and China, Maoist, and the latest Tukde Tukde gang, the Congress leader tweeted. If you exhaust all these categories, it means there are no farmers among the thousands of protesters. If there are no farmers, why is government talking to them? He asked in a subsequent tweet. Moving on to the next news, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will hold her first pre-budget consultations with the top industrialists tomorrow on December 14th. The Finance Minister will start her pre-budget consultations with different stakeholder groups from tomorrow in New Delhi, and the meetings will be held virtually, the Finance Ministry said. The Finance Minister is likely to present her second budget of Modi 2.0 on February 1, 2021. It is a common practice for the Finance Minister to meet various stakeholders, including farmers' organizations, economists, civil society and industry bodies as part of the pre-budget consultative exercise. Moving on to the next news, Serum Institute of India CEO Adar Poonawalla said on Saturday that the vaccination drive of the coronavirus vaccine for immunization against the COVID-19 infection may begin by January 2021, as his company is expecting to get emergency use authorization by the month end. Adar Poonawalla said he expects everyone in India to be vaccinated by October 2021, after which he said normal life could return. Speaking at the Economic Times Global Business Summit, Adar Poonawalla said he is confident that India's vaccination drive will start by January 2021 if the regulators give their nod to go ahead.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.